We are still waiting on a federal judge to decide whether a special master will be appointed to review the more than 100 documents seized in last month's raid at former President Trump's Florida estate. Now, yesterday, the judge heard arguments but said she needed more time to consider if it's necessary. But she did order more documents unsealed. NewsNation's Evan Lambert joins us live now from Washington, D.C. So, Evan, the latest inventory list is giving us even more insight into what the FBI did and did not find.
Nichole, it is, and this really is the most detailed look that we have gotten so far at these documents found by the FBI in that August 8th search of Mar-a-Lago. Now, this comes from an inventory, a filing released just hours ago, hours before the former president gets his own chance to respond to this if he so chooses. He will be in Pennsylvania tomorrow rallying for his endorsed candidates there. So let's get to what we learned in this filing today. The FBI says that it found 48 empty folders with classified markings on them, along with 11,179 government documents that were not classified. Those empty folders raising serious questions about the possibility of more missing documents that investigators may want back. Now, this is all from an inventory document ordered unsealed by the Trump-appointed judge considering his request for a special master in this case. Now, that is a third party that would come in, look through the documents seized to determine which, if any, should go back to Trump. The FBI notes that it has already reviewed all of these seized documents as part of its active criminal investigation, saying, quote, the investigative team will continue to use and evaluate the seized materials as it takes further investigative steps, such as through additional witness interviews and grand jury practice. Now, Trump has claimed that he declassified all of these documents, and his lawyers have called the raid in filings, quote, unprecedented, unnecessary, and legally unsupported. He will get a chance to comment on all of this himself if he so chooses in the all-important swing state of Pennsylvania. That is where he is set to rally for Doug Mastriano, who's running for governor there, and Dr. Oz, who is running for Senate. Nichole, that rally will be in Wilkes-Barre tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time.
All right, so, Evan, let's go back to that federal judge I mentioned at the top of this. What do we know about this judge who is ultimately going to make this decision on whether or not there is this special master?
She is a lean cannon, and she was nominated by President Trump in 2020 to the Southern District of Florida. That is also where she previously served as an assistant U.S. attorney, as most recently as an appellate attorney, but before that, a prosecutor. She is also a member of the Conservative Federalist Society. Nichole?
All right, Evan Lambert, thank you for that. Well, thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.